I want to talk about time. What is time? Time is very important for our life. Time never waits for everyone. Once time is gone, we cannot get it back. When we use our time well, we can do great things. Students should use their time to study and learn. People who respect time are always successful. We should not use too much time on phones or TV. We should use to do great things. Rest is also important, but not wasting time. If we respect time, time will respect back. Thank you so much for listening to me. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.